Hey guys, hey guys, what's going on? It's Eva Ego here and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, please forgive my voice, you guys. I'm totally losing it, but I wanted to get this video out for you guys. So if you are new, welcome to the Ego fam. Go ahead and hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of the uploads. That I put on my channel. And if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for sticking around with the Ego fam. Now, as you can see by the title of the video, I will be showing you guys the full collection of the Colourpop by Ellarie lippies. Okay, I have the entire set right here. No, this was not a PR package or anything like that. Although I wish I would have gotten a PR package, or that these would have came in something similar to the PR package. I really like how the lippies come in the little boxes, such as this set right here. So this is the Staycation lippy collection. So I like how it comes in a box. I really wish that the ones that Ellarie did came in like a set, but it didn't. The actual PR package came with all of the lippies and some oldies. Some oldies that she did. I think it was the first one that she did. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the review. Okay, so for this collection, I'm sorry about my voice, you guys, but for this collection, it comes with 6 shades. As you guys can see here, it comes with 6 shades. It has 1 ultra satin, 2 ultra glossies, and 3 ultra mattes. So let's go ahead and start out with the glossies. Okay, you guys, so that is a wrap. I'm trying not to talk as much because I'm losing my voice, but yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed watching the video. Hopefully you guys saw a shade in the collection. He's like pulling on my shirt. So hopefully you guys saw a shade in her collection that you want to try out or purchase. So you have a nice variety that you can choose from. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I have to wash all of this off of my face and finally put this little guy here to sleep. He was asleep and then he woke up. Hey. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share it out, comment below. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I created this look, go ahead and check out the info button right there in the corner. It'll pop out for you. Welcome to the Ego fam if you have subscribed. So yeah, that is it for the Colourpop by Ellarie. And I will see you guys in the next video.